The manufacturing sector is the backbone of industrial and economic growth. From producing everyday goods to building advanced machinery, manufacturing drives innovation and global trade. This market sector spans industries ranging from advanced automotive and heavy machinery to textiles, apparel, and common household products. It accounts for a significant portion of global GDP and employs millions worldwide, making it a cornerstone of modern economies. The manufacturing sector encompasses the design, fabrication, assembly, and distribution of goods and components that power industries and consumer markets. All of these processes rely on a broad spectrum of specialized trades and engineering disciplines. This sector is broadly divided into several major categories. Heavy manufacturing includes machinery, construction equipment, and industrial tools. These are essential for infrastructure projects and large-scale production. Automotive and aerospace, focused on vehicles, aircraft, and related components, driving mobility and defense capabilities. Consumer goods manufacturing produces household products, electronics, and packaged goods for everyday use. Advanced manufacturing incorporates robotics, automation, and smart technologies to improve efficiency and precision. These are only some of the many subsectors in manufacturing. Its reach affects every economy around the world. Manufacturing underpins global supply chains, drives technological progress, creates jobs, strengthens GDP, and anchors long-term economic stability. The manufacturing sector includes many different businesses that keep production moving globally. Some compete for market leadership, while others work together to improve supply chains and logistics, helping the industry adapt and grow. These companies shape the future of manufacturing through innovation, automation, and global connectivity. The manufacturing sector continues to evolve, balancing traditional production with modern innovation. From optimizing global supply chains to embracing advanced automation, it remains a driving force behind economic resilience and consumer accessibility. Explore more manufacturing companies with IBKR Investment Themes. Log into IBKR Desktop, select Sitemap and Investment Themes. This tool lets you research subsectors, compare companies, and review related industries. Use the Connections tab to compare a specific company's related industries and competition. Investment Themes is a powerful way to research your next trade.